my channel. My name is Emily and it is quarantine, so you may be wondering what level of boredom I am at right now, because as you can tell from the title of this video, Baz, he's over there, he's gonna lay my edges.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've never ever did my edges. I had no interest of me actually doing it. I'm like, the type of hair I got, the hairstyle I have, there's no need for me to have edges really. So I've never really, there's no point in me having it. But I thought it'd be fun if Baz would do my edges, especially because he has this, which is, I've seen this so many times for people actually doing their edges with this. So I thought,
okay,
might as well. We've got the equipment. We can do this.
Sure, yeah, we can try.
Yeah. So over here I have this toothbrush as well. So this is, I actually just got this from a hotel when I was staying in Thailand.
Oh.
So
cool.
you can use this one. Use a toothbrush that you don't really care about, because I'm assuming because it's from the hotel, it's not going to be like, you know, a good toothbrush. It's just going to be a disposable. Oh, actually, it looks quite cool.
Oh.
It's
looks quite nice.
Oh.
It looks like one of those. Oh no, it's just plastic. Never mind.
No, it looks good, right? Yeah.
Something like that.
Okay, question. Have you ever done edges before? Do you know what you're doing?
No, not really.
Yeah.
I've seen it done, so it should be fine. I hope so.
Yeah, I've seen it done too.
Yeah.
But I've never done it or tried it.
So.
Especially with my hair. You can do whatever hairstyle you want, by the way. My hair is like this currently, but you can, whatever hairstyle you feel fits.
Well, the only time I've seen people with edges when they have the slick kind of.
You can sleep. You can do.
I don't think I can do that on your hair.
What hairstyle are you doing on me?
I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. I'm just going with whatever. Okay.
Thanks for poking my ears. That's cool.
For what?
Poking my ear. You put your finger in my ear.
Oh, shoot.
Do you want a hair? Ah! Do you want a hairband? Do you want a hairband or anything?
Oh yeah, I do need that.
If you go outside the bedroom door, there's a box. On top of the box there's a cylinder. In the cylinder, just bring the whole cylinder.
Wait, I think I saw you use this before. It's like, I like how it just stays there. Alright.
This is for me when I do my makeup.
What?
This is, yeah.
What does this do?
Oh, that's bun maker for doing hair buns. Okay, so this is what Baz just got, is just this cylinder of like hair accessories, hair clips and grips and hair bands and of different sizes and elastics and whatever.
I can try. I want to try and use this.
Try use it, but do you need to use it?
I don't know. Probably. Maybe.
My hairline's not symmetrical at all. I think because I've had my hair parted here for so long that it just like, it looks like I'm balding there. Oh my god. Do you wanna get like the hair here? You're gonna leave me a little tail? But that did nothing. Just because you want to use it, don't mean you gotta use it. You like.
Oh, a bun is probably best. Yeah, you need to more start happening. This, right?
You're the stylist. I don't know if you know how to use that.
I don't know how to use this.
Okay, so what I would usually do when I'm using... Do you want to use it?
Yeah. Got it. Let's see.
I don't think I got it. Oh, you got some technique to it.
Is that how you're supposed to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
But do you want to... Oh, I thought you were going to get it through the brush. Look how many bananas we got. Now this is why I don't tie my hair back like this. Look at me.
What? What's wrong?
Like, cause you know people can just tie their hair like this and just leave it. If I had this, don't you think I look weird?
A little bit.
Is it my head shape? It's my hairline. It's my hair.
I think it's fine. Yeah, it's just, it needs to be more slick.
Even so, just be like this.
Yeah, that's fine. I think.
have the bun. My hair didn't have to be up, you know.
I feel like this is better. Which is water first.
I'm always like battery on my microphone, so if it goes off, audio's gonna be a bit. Where exactly do you want my parting to be?
Your what?
Parting. But water's not gonna do anything.
I just need to see.
Are you gonna practice on water? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
I feel like you're making me look like a little girl.
I feel like this is too long.
I don't feel like it's too long. I feel like.
Oh.
Actually, you just do what you want to do.
You know what? Let's just go straight.
Why are you giving me a little party night here? It's okay though.
What started here?
You just do what you want to do, you know. I'm just the model. The guinea pig, if you will. Bird out there. So what's your technique here? What are you doing? Tell me. Describe to me!
Just putting this on the toothbrush.
I've never used any sort of gel, styling cream, whatever on my hair.
Never?
No.
What?
It's just cold. Any technique?
Nope. Literally just eyeballing it.
I feel like you're just brushing
Jesus.
it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ew!
Stop moving.
If I went out on the street like this.
I've seen people with something similar to this.
You didn't see properly.
I feel like this type of hair is not. This type of hairstyle is not.
What are you trying to say? What kind of hairstyle do you want me to have?
Like if you had like something like something tight at the top, gonna like cornrows and stuff like that.
Now do you want to do that to my hair?
No way. No, this.
Wait,
this
did you just brush my hair to the side?
This is not Argan.
You want to restart?
Yeah.
Is there any wave to this? There's just you just.
Alright.
Oh!
No, I wanna take this off completely. Your hair is not like it's not gonna work. I need to find another way. Perfect. Alright, take this off.
Okay. My hair is down. What do you want to do now?
Right, we're gonna put it back up. I think. Something like that. I'll say, yeah. Something like this. It's fine. Yeah?
Okay.
Wanna try?
I mean,
Okay,
you're the stylist.
You do it, because I can't do it.
I feel like my type of hair should not be up. It's up when it's greasy. That's all.
Okay, well done, that's hard.
I have quite a bit of baby. Yeah, we put gel in it. I have quite a bit of flower waves, a bit of baby hairs, especially on this area. Oh, I don't like that feeling. Just look like a little church boy. I see some technique, at least. Oh, you see from the front, then you see from the side. I don't like the feeling of gel. No, because the thing about gel, it's like it's stuck on there, and I feel like my face is so oily that, can you imagine if you got like all these edges with such an oily forehead? Oh, it's actually turning out okay! I guess. Damn, if I had edges, I think
You think what?
I would want to itch so hard, because you know you can't itch.
You have to keep it in place.
You can do my sideburns.
Might as well.
You do my sideburns. I remember when I was younger, I don't know what got to my head, but I was thinking, why are my sideburns so long? So I cut it.
What
And I cut it with scissors, like this. And so when it grew back, it just looked so weird.
What age was this?
I was young, probably like, before I was 10 for sure. I feel like you had technique. Where did the technique go? I always quite liked it when people do your hair, do you? Like, it feels nice, like, when people do your hair.
Like
Whoa, just... Might as well put your hand on my eyes.
Like a barber shop? Yeah, sure. It's quite nice.
My hair feels heavy.
Yeah, I'm probably using more than... I feel like your baby hair is way too long. Like, I wouldn't even call it baby hair.
Whoa, ew! That's a lot of force. Oh, good. Oh, spoke too soon. From here. Oh. Ignore me. Oh, I feel like this side is better. When you're at an angle. Oh, ain't that bad. This, oh, when I go like this though. But like this. Ooh, cold.
Oh my god, it's way too long.
Well, my sideburns.
Yeah.
Do I do a little squiggle?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Actually.
Look at this. It's literally... Oh god, sorry. No, I don't think so. I don't think that would work. What is that?
I got a little snake over here.
Damn. That's so bad.
You know, looking it on the mirror is so different from looking it on the viewfinder.
How does it look like that? Is it?
Whoa, how much product did you use?
It's, you know what? 1 out of 10 would not recommend.
What, would not recommend you? Or can I take my hair out?
Yeah, go ahead.
What, would not recommend you or would not do this again or what? I don't understand.
Yeah, do both. Don't do this again and it's just like...
Oh.
Wait,
Oh, look at this!
actually, wait, hold on, what? Oh, it's alright. Not this part. This, I don't know what this is. If this was made better.
You can disguise it on the camera. I feel like if I was in public, people would look at me different.
Like...
If I'm on camera, it don't look as bad as it does in real life.
Yeah, it looks pretty bad.
Look there! Okay, is this the final product?
Yeah.
I think you did okay considering you've never done this before, you don't know what you're doing.
That's dog shit, man. That's like so bad.
No, on camera it's okay. In real life it literally looks so weird. But on camera it actually looks okay. And like okay is the highest you just hit okay.
Nah, not even. Oh, I guess. It looks alright there.
I don't know what this is going on.
What? That? Who knows? It's too long, man.
You don't even care. Okay, so what would you rate yourself? Also, my audio is completely ran out of battery. Don't even have any batteries to put in it. So, is this audio from the camera now?
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'd say 3 out of 10.
You're supposed to be like, oh no, this is a 6.
No, you gotta be truthful.
Yeah.
You gotta, you know. Let me know what you guys think of this. Is this a hairstyle? Do you think this is nice? You'll probably never see me with edges ever. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oops.
What's that?
So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!